So now we're going to be taking our knowledge of an ellipse and graphing an ellipse formally on a coordinate plane. So this is a pretty good guideline to graphing an ellipse. First, you want to make sure your ellipse is in standard form, so it has to be equal to 1. If it's not equal to 1, you need to divide out by that value to make it equal to 1. After you do this, you should be able to identify your A value and your B value. Remember, your A value is always the largest value in the denominator. Now we're going to use that information to find our foci, and we're going to plot our vertices and our co-vertices, and we're going to connect them together. In order to graph this, we first need to divide through by 36 to put it in standard form. So I'm going to get x squared over 4 plus y squared over 36 is equal to 1. From this equation, we can tell we are centered at the origin 0, 0. Our major axis is going to be the y-axis because this denominator is the biggest, so this is our A term, and our B squared term is going to be 4. So A squared is 36, so A is 6. B squared is 4, so B is going to be 2. So I can find my vertices and co-vertices very easily. My vertices are going to be at 0 plus or minus 6 since I'm on the y-axis, and my co-vertices are going to be at plus or minus 2, 0. Now I just need my foci. So using my Pythagorean relation, a squared minus b squared, so 36 minus 4, which gives me 32. So c squared equals 32, taking the square root. And then simplifying the radical, we're going to get 4 square roots of 2. Since my vertices are located on the y-axis, that means that my foci are also on the y-axis. So we're going to be at 0 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. So now I just need to plot all of this information. So vertices at 0, positive 6, and negative 6. Co-vertices at plus or minus 2, 0. Of course, you want to make sure you plot your center, which I know is 0, 0. Let's go ahead and graph our foci. Square root of 32, which is 4 radical 2, is approximately 5.7. So going up 5.7. Be right about there. Down 5.7. And now we are just going to connect our vertices and our co-vertices. Make sure that you go through the vertices and the co-vertices. You do not include the foci. And here's my ellipse. All right, so give this one a try.